Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy S devices, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung S Galaxy phone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to do a hard reset? Well, usually this is going to be the last option if you are having software issues with your phone. So for example, if it won't power up or there's some kind of glitches in the software. You can also do a soft reset or a factory reset if you just want to wipe the memory and wipe the information that you have on your phone. If that's what you're looking for, be sure to check the video description. I did another video that shows you how to soft reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S device. So this is a hard reset. So first off, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and power down the phone if you haven't done so already. All you do is just click the power button right here on the top right. So I'm going to hold that down now. All right, next this pops up and you want to click power off and then click power off once again. All right guys, now the Samsung S Galaxy is now turned off. So what you want to do next is press the power. You're going to have to press 3 buttons actually. So the power button up here on the top right, also the power up button, not the power down, and then along with the Bixby button right down here. So again, volume up, power, and Bixby button. Press them all 3 at the same time. I'm going to do that now. All right, so your phone should go ahead and power up. All right, so Android's working right now. You're going to get this symbol right here. Okay, now this screen's going to pop up and it looks kind of like a DOS screen now. And you're going to need to toggle in between this menu right here. The touch is not going to work. So you're going to use the up and down on the volume. And it's kind of hard to see, but what you're going to want to do is go ahead and use the volume button and scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4. And this little red menu is going to pop up. It's wipe data and factory reset. But again, pay attention to the warning. It says if your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information associated with this phone to be able to use it again. If all of that looks okay, then you want to go ahead and click the power button to choose. I'm going to click there on this power button here on the right. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you're going to get this one more warning letting you know that once you make this decision, it cannot be undone. So if you'd like to wipe all of the data, go ahead and use the power volume down or the volume button. I'm going to press down and it moves it into yes, and then you want to use the power button to confirm. I'm going to click there now. Okay, now it's going to start processing as you can see at the bottom. Okay, now it's done erasing the data, and then you want to choose this one at the top called Reboot System Now. All you do is just click the power button to choose. I'm going to click there now. Okay, it continues processing now, and this is for a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy S phone. Okay, now the phone just powered down and powered right back up. All right, now the Samsung phone is loading up right now. All right, guys, and just a few minutes later, the login screen popped up for my Samsung Galaxy S phone. So you'll just want to click this blue arrow and continue through the prompts. So the whole process took about 8 minutes, 30 seconds. So kind of keep that in mind. Also, I want to let you know before you do a hard reset, you may want to back up your phone if it's even possible. Again, if you're having software issues, that may not be an option, but if possible, go ahead and do a backup of your Samsung Galaxy S phone. If you need some help with that, be sure to go back and watch my other video that shows you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy S phone. So hopefully you found that video useful on how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S phone. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But I look forward to seeing you on my next video.